Hi friends, it's Petra here with another Bramble Fox video, and today I am starting off with the hexagon folder to create a large hexagon, which I find an easy way. And I'm simply adding borders to that hexagon to create the size that I like, and then I will cut it out. And for this layout I'm using several Bramble Fox goodies, which I will, as always, link below in the description, and I'm using the May Hip Kit Club kit. So I have cut out the large hexagon, and as you see, it's a striped paper, and I decide to number all the different colors so I can cut strips from them, and I will remember which way to glue them down, which is quite obvious with a hexagon, but just to be sure, I numbered them. So I want to create a centered layout with the hexagon in the middle, but I am visualizing how it would be if I would lay them all apart with a bit of space between them, but I decide not to. So I'm simply distressing the edges of all the different strips of paper, and then I will glue them down on a piece of leftover cardstock just to give it a bit sturdiness and to keep it all in shape. So as you see in this shot that I have created a background because I wanted to use the Be Kind title at first, but I wasn't really happy with that background, so I taped down that entire centerpiece anyway, and later on I decided just to use another gorgeous new title from the shop, and to be continued in a theater near you. you will see in a minute that I will remove that background and replace it for a plain white cardstock. And it's not really an ugly background, but it just didn't feel like the layout I wanted to create. And I know that sounds a bit silly, but I don't know. It just didn't feel right. So there's that Be Kind title, and I do cut my photo into a hexagon. And I simply trace my die cut and cut out the photo. And I will be backing that photo with that gorgeous yellow from the Make It from Hip Kit. And that yellow is a piece of cardstock from the cardstock add-on you can always order from a Hip Kit. And if you hear some strange noises, it's Parakeet Fritz again. He's joining us today, and he always likes to comment. So I've removed that background, and I will replace it for a plain white sheet of cardstock, because I do love that Enjoy Life title a bit more than the Be Kind title. So taping that photo down with a bit of foam tape just to give it a bit of elevation. And then it's time to start adding my embellishments, and I have cut out the entire Stroll in the Meadows sheet from the main kit because I love those flowers. They are so gorgeous. And Morag has outdone herself because she created those little black sentence perspectives, and I love them. So I think I have to order some more because they are the best. And as said before, I will link everything below. So the title, I often use my glossy accents to glue it down, but sometimes I also use foam tape, and in this case foam tape is a bit more convenient because I have created a bit of a wobbly background, so foam tape just gives it a bit more a bit more bouncy glue if I make any sense. So just finishing off everything with some more embellishments, and then we're done. I'm adding some cute little butterflies, which I will also link. They were the perfect attachment to add to this layout, and I'm very sorry because Fritz is making a lot of noise. I'm sure you will hear it. And that's it. So I hope you like it. I hope you got some inspiration. Let me know what you think, and see you next time. Bye bye.